Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a folder with a password in Windows 11 step by step. Password protecting a folder can help keep your files private and secure from unauthorized access, so let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to protect. Next, right-click the folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Advanced button. Then, check the box labeled Encrypt Contents to secure data. Click OK, then click Apply. Windows will prompt you choosing whether you want to apply the changes to the folder only or to the folder, subfolders, and files. Then click OK. Windows will encrypt the folder and its contents, making them accessible only through your Windows account. For additional protection, make sure your Windows account is secured with a strong password. Once completed, your folder will be protected from other users who do not have access to your account. And that's it. You've successfully secured a folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.